So I'm trying to be somewhat economical with my glass, so I like to get as many pieces out of it as I can. So I'm going to try and cut the three and my pieces that are numbered 3 and 6, these two rectangles, out of the same piece. And so I've got both of these patterns lined up on the glass, and if I have a hard time seeing, Sharpie against a dark piece of glass, I could maybe use a pastel or a grease pencil. I'm just going to use the Sharpie because I like the fact it makes a finer line. I'm going to try and save as much glass as I can. So I'm going to make one line, draw a line on my glass going this way, and then I'm going to cut that piece. And then I'm going to kind of cut this little edge off on its own, right here, and then I'll cut that in half, and then I'll have two pieces. So let's do that first. So I'm just going to, and I'm actually going to try and get these pretty straight. So why don't I just mark kind of the corners here with my Sharpie, and I'm going to do that. I just kind of mark the two dots. And there they are, and you can't see them, but I can. And so what I'm going to do, just to make sure that I get a nice straight, line, I'll just use a piece of glass that I know already has a straight edge. I'm just going to use that as a straight edge, but you can use a ruler or a little, piece of wood, or maybe a piece of folded up cardboard, whatever you want. It's just a straight edge. And I'm going to draw that with my Sharpie. You really can't see that probably on the camera because, like I said, I'm using it on dark glass.